Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on your iPhone. First, download the Just Dance Now application from your phone's App Store. Next, make sure your computer, tablet, or smart television is connected to the internet. Then, open a web browser on that device and navigate to Just Dance Now. You will see a unique room number displayed on your screen. This number is crucial for connecting your phone. Once you have the room number, open the Just Dance Now app on your iPhone and enter the code. Your iPhone will then become your motion controller, tracking your dance moves in real time. With your phone connected, you can now explore the vast library of songs available. Scroll through the different genres and artists, and when you find a track you like, simply tap to select it and start the fun. During gameplay, hold your iPhone firmly in your right hand. The game uses your phone's sensors to detect your movements. Your goal is to mirror the choreography of the on-screen dancer as accurately as possible. You will receive feedback like perfect, good, or okay based on your timing and precision. Aim for those perfect scores to climb the leaderboards and challenge up to 10 friends in the same room. To maximize your Just Dance Now experience, always ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. This prevents lag and ensures smooth gameplay. Also, make sure you have plenty of clear space around you to move freely and safely, avoiding any potential hazards. A fully charged iPhone is also essential to prevent interruptions. Finally, invite some friends over. Playing with others makes the experience even more enjoyable and competitive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.